In this section, we're going to be taking a look at how to navigate the DynaMiX platform. Your first view is your default home screen, and here your commonly used functions are listed. To access any of the functions, click on the icon. There are three go-to areas: the top level tabs, the landing page, and the functions located in the top right-hand corner. We'll start at the top of the screen. All the modules and their functions are classed according to the three top level tabs. We have Monitor, Manage, and Measure. For example, if you want to run reports, these would fall under the tab Measure. If you wanted to manage your user settings or fleet configurations, then these functions would fall under Manage. And if you wanted to track your fleet or view info streams, then these functions would fall under the heading Monitor. To access, click on a tab, and the menu structure is displayed. The menus displayed will depend on your permissions. To exit, click on the black space. To access a menu, hover your mouse over the menu, which will then be highlighted in green, and then click. You can set any module and menu as your default home page. Click on Manage, Monitor or Measure, and then click on the required menu. Click on the star located in the top right-hand corner. You have now set your home page. By default, all the assets and drivers in your default organization are selected and will be displayed. To select a different organization that you have access to, or to select drivers or assets for a specific site, click on your organization name to access the organization selector. The organization structure to which you have permission to will now be displayed. If required, you can use the filter to find an organization or a site. Click the site to select it. To make any changes, click on a different site or a different organization. Once you've made your choice, click Select. Throughout the DynaMiX user interface, there are common conventions, which you will find on the landing page of the different menus. Green text or objects are links to access menus and functions, or the properties for configuration. Located in the bottom right-hand corner is your page selector to move to the next page. Predefined filters are listed on the left. To access the categories, click on the heading and the data will be reflected on the right. Maximize your workspace by clicking on the arrow to hide the left panel. Click on the arrow again to unhide the left panel. Use the filter to find any entities. Enter the string and then click on the magnifying glass. The column selector allows you to select the columns you would like to have displayed. Click to select and click to unselect. You can reorder the columns to suit your view. Click and drag the required column to the point that you require. Wherever you see a grey downward-facing arrow, it means that there are additional functions available. These functions will depend on the selected module. The plus is for adding to the database, and this can range from assets to users to info streams and to events. And wherever you see these icons, it means that you can export or import the specific entities. On the modules which don't have a landing page, there is usually a wizard which will guide you through the required steps to perform a function like scheduling a download or running a report. In the top right-hand corner is the home icon, which you can click on at any time to take you back to your home page. the question mark links to the context-sensitive help file, and this will open in a new window. To log out, click on the power icon. And this brings us to the end of this section.